We are leaving Benbecula.
Actually, it's pronounced Benbecula, so thanks very much to one of the viewers for pointing out my mangled English pronunciation.
Heading across the causeway. And should be onto North Uist. Yep, North Uist. Effectively run out of road. Do you want to keep on going or go up to the parking place? There's a parking place just up there, presumably you can get access to the beachfront. Do you want to go up there? Let's have a quick look, we're here. Station up on the hill. Temperature 10.5 degrees. So it's nice when the sun's out. Well, we've got to head back now. So I was going to say, shall we go? It said St Kilda viewpoint. What? That way? Mine's saying back that way.
That's probably because it wants to take you. It's lost that west coast one with me. Because we haven't been up the east coast, have we?
No. And do you want to go to that St Kilda viewpoint, whatever that is?
Depends what the road's like.
I mean, time-wise, I think we're okay. We've got about 3 hours, haven't we?
It's west coast. We haven't had a look.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we've decided to take a little detour. We saw a signpost to St Kilda's viewpoint. So we're assuming that it's at the top of this hill. Seems it's a nice day. I reckon we should get a decent view. So let's give it a try. We've got plenty of time still to catch our ferry. It's only 2:30. We've got to be at the ferry point for about 5. So loads of time to try and see a bit more of the islands. further up. Probably just a gate at the top saying no public access, but oh well, we'll find out soon enough. This is also the communication station we saw from the Denmark coast.
I'd like to warn the viewing audience that we are in the vicinity of the lesser spotted idiot. Ah, I think you've just seen. Yes, here he is now in his native grounds. I think he might be migrating. Oh, hang on a minute, he's scratching his buttocks in a most unattractive way. Foolish person. Oh, absolutely.
Oh, look at that glorious view. This is the end of the road here, Loch Muddy. Emerald blue sea, sandy beaches, No bugger about. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Degrees and a little breezy. Hell's bells, it's beautiful. This is going to be quite hard to edit. Just too many nice bits. Suspected. The guys who we were riding out with this morning are waiting here to catch the ferry the same as us. Nice. And we arrive on the Isle of Lewis and Harris. Wasn't able to film us getting on the ferry. The GoPro was playing up. Right. My remote control seems to be screwing up the GoPro, so it's run out of battery anyway. So it's a shame because we're coming down the hill with this beautiful view of the valley and the beach and all the rest of it. And recording, we've got 54 miles to go. Some sunshine to finish the day would be nice. And look at that. Wow. Wow. into the... Oh, it looks like it's built into the side. Nice. Beach. Look at that view. YouTube, look at that view. Goodness. That's fantastic. Beautiful green water. Good green water. Sandy beaches. Mountains. Wow. Look at those beaches and the water. Oh, fantastic. What a place. Gonna go. Wait for me. Oh, there's a bridge over there. Is that a bridge? No, it can't be a bridge. It is. It looks like a bridge. Tarbert. I think you can get the ferry to Skye from here. so far. I'd like to do that very much. Welcome to North Harris. Hi guys. So the two German bikers have just pulled off into Tarbert to try and find themselves some accommodation. They didn't book anything, so they're just going for it, seeing what they can find. And there's a couple of lads, they seem to just be taking it all as they find it. Not booking ferries, not booking accommodation, don't have a mobile phone. So certainly a very different way to the way we organise things, but a more relaxed way of doing it if you're happy to accept that you don't know where you're going or where you're sleeping tonight. Not for me, but clearly for them, works. And we've still got 36 miles to go. This one. Come on, you silly buggers. Lambs on one side, leaves on the other. This already, but this place is spectacular. I'm so glad we came here.